K21 Infantry Fighting Vehicle represents a major leap in South Korea's armored warfare capabilities. Developed by Doosan DST as the successor to the K200 series, the K21 was designed from the ground up to deliver speed, mobility, and firepower superior to its predecessors. Initially dubbed the K21 IFV, Korea Next Generation Infantry Fighting Vehicle, production began in 2009 with the Republic of Korea Army set to field over 460 units. The K21's mission is clear: to dominate the modern battlefield against peer threats like Russia's BMP-3. Development of the K21 began in 1999 under a $77 million contract that aimed to revolutionize South Korea's mechanized infantry. By 2003, Doosan DST delivered 3 prototypes to the ROK Army, culminating in a full production contract in 2008 valued at over $386 million. 10 years of research and testing resulted in a 25-ton vehicle capable of outperforming many Western IFVs. However, early amphibious tests revealed challenges, including buoyancy and wave plate malfunctions that caused 2 sinkings. These setbacks led to critical redesigns, proving South Korea's commitment to continuous improvement and battlefield reliability. The K21's offensive capability centers around its powerful 40mm K40 autocannon developed by S&T Dynamics. Based on naval gun technology, this weapon delivers exceptional firepower, firing up to 300 rounds per minute with a velocity exceeding 1,000 meters per second. It can unleash a PF-SDS, high explosive, and multi-purpose rounds capable of defeating heavy armor. Supporting this main armament is a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and an advanced fire control system enabling precision engagement while on the move. The K21 also integrates a 3rd-generation indigenous anti-tank missile capable of penetrating up to 1,000 millimeters of IA, placing it among the most lethal IFVs in its class. Equipped with Samsung Thales state-of-the-art electronics, the K21 offers unmatched situational awareness. Its hunter-killer capability, supported by independent commanders and gunner sights, allows simultaneous target acquisition and engagement. The vehicle's thermal imaging, laser range finding, and IFF systems detect and identify threats up to 6 kilometers away. Both sites feature 3rd-generation thermal viewers, ensuring operational superiority in all weather conditions. These advanced optics make the K21 not just a transport or support platform, but a frontline combat system capable of tracking and eliminating enemy armor, infantry, and aerial threats with deadly accuracy. While the K21's armor composition remains classified, it combines advanced composite materials, including S2 glass fiber, aluminum alloys, and ceramic plating. The front armor can withstand 30mm APDS rounds, while side armor resists 14.5mm API projectiles. Its roof is engineered to survive artillery fragmentation from nearby explosions, offering superior battlefield protection. To enhance survivability, the K21 integrates automatic fire suppression systems, self-sealing fuel tanks, and will soon feature active protection under the PEEP Product Improvement Program. This edition will include a hard-kill anti-missile system similar to that of the K2 Black Panther, reinforcing the vehicle's resilience against modern ATGMs. The K21's design prioritizes mobility and amphibious operations. Powered by a Doosan D2840L XEV10 turbo diesel engine producing 750 horsepower, the IFV achieves a remarkable power-to-weight ratio of 29 horsepower-ton. The lightweight aluminum chassis and in-arm suspension unit, ISU, enable agile maneuvering across diverse terrain. Its pontoon system provides buoyancy for river crossings and amphibious assaults, a key advantage in the Korean Peninsula's geography. On land, the K21 reaches speeds exceeding 70 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest armored vehicles in its category, while maintaining stability and fire accuracy during rapid maneuvers. Designed to carry up to 9 fully equipped infantry soldiers, plus a crew of 3, the K21 enhances combat effectiveness through advanced digital integration. Its battle management system, BMS, allows real-time information sharing between the crew and infantry, improving coordination and response. Internal display screens deliver live battlefield data, camera feeds, and threat indicators. With 360 situational awareness from external sensors, dismounted troops gain a tactical edge even before exiting the vehicle. This integration between armored mobility and digital communication reflects South Korea's vision of a fully networked, future-ready ground force. The K21's versatility led to international collaborations, including the development of the K21-105 light tank and the AS-21 Redback for the Australian Army. The K21-105 integrates a 105mm Cockerel turret capable of firing smart and guided ammunition, delivering direct fire support against fortified targets and older armored vehicles. Meanwhile, Hanwha's AS-21 Redback variant won Australia's Land 400 Phase 3 project in 2023 with a 42-ton platform, MTU power pack, Iron Fist active protection, and Iron Vision 360 system. The Redback stands as a global symbol of Korean defense engineering excellence, rivaling Western IFVs like the Lynx KF41 and CV90M KIV. The K21 Infantry Fighting Vehicle represents more than just a combat platform. It's a statement of South Korea's rising defense innovation, combining cutting-edge technology, lethal firepower, and amphibious capability. It bridges the gap between traditional IFVs and next-generation armored vehicles. From its battlefield debut to international exports, the K21 continues to redefine modern warfare mobility and survivability. As Hanwha and Doosan refine the design through the PEEP program, the K21's legacy will only grow stronger. Subscribe to Militaryleak for more in-depth defense analyses, exclusive weapon system overviews, and the latest updates on global military technology. Stay informed, stay ahead